What is it?
This path will lead you to an unholy place. A cemetery. There the Necronomicon awaits. When thou retrievest the book from its cradle, you must recite the words, Clatu Berata Nictu.
Seems fairly obvious. Ooh, wait. The words. Right. Say the words. Clatu Berata